Hey guys, it is day 3 of riding in a row. We're just starting out with a hill climb. The top looks gnarly. Hill climb.
Hey guys, I am back. The weather is not too bad today. It's above freezing, so I figured I'd grab a couple parts and put them on the bike because I am hoping to go dirt biking sooner than later. And I have a few parts here from a rear brake guard to front rotor guard as well. And then of course it goes right into through the axle. This is the piece to attach it. And even simpler, but maybe even more important, is an extra fuel filter. A few companies make these, and this is actually a KTM one. And what it does is it just goes right in the top of the fill funnel here of the tank and sits in there, and the lid goes on top. And anytime you open the lid, if any dirt ever was going to fall in there or any dirt was in your fuel, I think this one's like 20 microns efficient. So it'll catch, most of the crud, and then your fuel filter will capture the thinner stuff. Bike's already clean. That's step one before you take off your fuel cap, of course. Make sure it's all clean. And get that out of the way. Open up this package. Oh yeah, for those who don't know, my name is Marcel Irnie. And I'm a Superbike racer and just kind of getting really interested in dirt biking these days. I'll show you what I'm talking about. That's all they are. So just drop her in. Pretty simple. Some people get this from day one, and I didn't know about it until I randomly came across it. There it is. It's like a condom. Condom for your fuel tank. So just drop that in there. And I'll have to test it with some fuel. Right now it's oh, and then so yeah, it just there's a spot for it. That's it. As you can see, it's gonna go down. The tank actually goes down and back, and the condom will eventually be pushed down there. Maybe I could add some fuel. So let me find some gas. Empty. Okay, they're all empty. So I'll just grab a small little one I had for my dirt bike and generator. Right here. So maybe I can do this one-handed. That's it, guys. That's how it works. You got the idea. Cool. Yeah, and then I got a few more parts. I got a 52 sprocket, and then I'm gonna attack this stuff while it's nice out. Sort of nice. The sun doesn't actually hit where I am though. It's hiding all back there.
This trail is so much fun. The Ghost Sage Trail in reverse. All right, let's rock it out. This way is a little different. Everything's different in reverse on this trail. Where the branches hit you with your hand, guards, etc. Whoa. Around the tree bush there. Stand the whole time. Let's see. Yeah. The trail's right here. Whoa, turn. Swivel. Oh, I lost the trail. I predicted it went right. Here we go. Okay, turn around. Go backwards. These come at you differently. First right. Take the right right lane this time. Connect. Drop in. Whoa. Got her right. I never touched the foot or even sat. I touched the seat but didn't get my weight off. Yeah, that's it. We made it. Woo! Yeah. Good Instagram video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the Chirby's front brake guard on. So let's take a look at that. As you can see. Oh, come on, you stupid pan. Don't want to be doing this in the bush.